Well, I Sim cannot stop making shot glasses, so I'm gonna make more. At least 2 more. Ta-da! I prepared the blanks, now for the work.
Justice is found here in my room. And she said, I don't know where he is. He cried, she said, I don't know where he is. He cried,
Okay, done with this part.
where the fir trees abound. Down at the bar, there's another round. Up at the lake, you gotta put your roots down. I know here in the woods is purity found. I wonder here in the woods is purity found. And she said, I don't know where it is.
So okay. So I'll drill it first.
She said,
Well, actually, I almost got to. Actually, I need tiny bit of sea glue just to keep the edge from cracking. I think there are 2 tiny places.
where my neighbors are loud. Thunderclouds loom, but still we stand proud. Here in my room, with the AM on loud, I'm just doing my best.
So this one I need to fix a little bit more.
I guess I'm doing my best. And she said, I don't know where he is. He cried, she said, I don't know where he is. He cried,
It's okay with a few exceptions. This one, not a sponsor. Or if they want to be sponsor, I would be happy. Seems to be good. I don't even know if I need to polish this stuff. This is a blazing success. Blazing success. Ta-da! They're really tiny. I don't know what I can put for comparison, but a little bit over the quarter. Oh my gosh! So this is another tiny project. I think this time it's even better. So if you have a lot of scraps that you need to use in some way, you can make a lot of tiny pieces like these shot glasses. This can be used as a gift, or you can actually drink stuff. Okay, let me find some booze. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it was not that boring. Even though it's the same project, I put a little bit different twist, a little bit different shape, but then it's kind of reasonably easy to do. If you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Bye!